How to print label in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you guys can print label in Canva. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First of all, open up your Canva. So head over to a web browser and search for canva.com and log in into your account. Now here we will start creating a label and we won't be focusing on its content for now. We'll just be using a template for a label. So search for label and you should find different templates available. So let me just choose this one, first one here, and I'll just customize this template. And it should take me to canva/design, and there we go. Now, if I want to print a label on the full scale here, I'll just leave it as it is. If you want to change this, you can change it. You can add some edits if you'd like. You can change some things here. So just round off the corners, maybe change the font. And after I'm done with the edits here, I'll then move on to downloading this and then printing it. So the process is really simple. Here, after you're done with your edit on the label on your Canva, tap on the share button on the top left. I mean top right. After you do that, tap on this download option right here. Then from here, you will need to choose a file type and you need to choose PDF print. So if you don't see PDF print already available, you can tap on the drop down button and choose PDF print. So this format is best for printing. So you can choose RGB, which is best for digital use. You'll also find other options, but let's just leave it at that and then tap on the download option here. After that, the download should begin. After the download's been complete, you can open this up. And after you see your label, tap on this print option. And there you can see you can now print your label. Simply tap on print and begin printing. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.